Since the inception of the factory and the design phase or the early design phase, we've wanted to make an iconic factory actually for personal care in Dubai. And we've wanted to make sure that the technology that we'll be using would be a cutting edge technology that we're having. We've also involved lots of big suppliers in the design of the equipment that was for the first time ever being launched just specifically for the design of that factory. Also, we've wanted to make sure that we will be producing a very high product quality that will carry the Made in UAE kind of signage and go all over the world. And we've wanted to make it as an export hub. So for that, we've known that there will be lots of different consumer needs around the globe. And we wanted the factory to become very responsive and agile in terms of reacting to that. That would dictate that we would need to do very fast changeovers so that we cater for a big portfolio of products. And also we need to do it in the best quality possible. And being part of Dubai have allowed us a very rich environment in terms of the diversified talent that exists in the market. We've been very much committed to the sustainability and how can we make that factory a kind of a beacon in terms of delivering in a sustainable manner. And the infrastructure within UAE have helped us a lot because first of all, it's very much on the same digital kind of vision that we've been wanting to do. The country vision is also very much tapping on the sustainability vision that we've wanted to have for the factory. So we've used that and we've actually collaborated with the government to try and do this factory in a manner that would set the future of manufacturing for the region. And now we are also working with the government in terms of how can we take that experience and disseminate it to the SMEs so that they would actually build from where we've ended as much as possible. If you look into how can you use AI or IoT or kind of robotics integration and process integration that we've been having, it's also part of the vision and the infrastructure of UAE. So it helps us a lot to build those kind of infrastructure for the factory, as well as tapping on lots of blockchain as well to get our suppliers and build the ecosystem around Dubai in terms of being a sourcing hub for the region as well. That have actually had the bigger impact on the sustainability, quality, energy efficiency that we've been using, as well as people capability through actually becoming more future fit, as the country is also futuristic in that regards, and also in terms of in making sure that the Made in UAE will always go out in a kind of representation that would make everybody proud. Those products have been manufactured in United Arab Emirates. I feel that that's the beginning of the journey, not the end of it. We need to continue the transformation. And again, it's not only about us as a manufacturing company, but it's also about all the ecosystem that we operate with, whether it's our suppliers, whether it's our customers, and how can we integrate end to end and make sure that together things would go into the direction of more futuristic approach of doing business.